Hello everyone, today we'll have a look at another vintage calculator. This one is the Canon Canola P1016-D. This calculator is very yellowed, as you can see, missing one key here, and I will see what to do with this one. Maybe 3D print something. And it has a printer made in Japan, so let's clean it and see if it's any good. Before we do that, let's turn it on and see if it actually works. Okay, so it's missing the power cord. That's fine, we cannot turn it on. Let's take it apart straight away. We have a cover here. It may look like for batteries, but actually it's for the printer to remove any paper jam maybe. Okay, that was messy. Okay, so the build is better than the one that we had a look at last time. It has a metal frame, also fluorescent display. Proper switches. It's very dirty, and this is the display or the main processor, which is the D121HE. This is the main soothing capacitor for the DC, and the main cord goes here. Okay, the power supply, the main transformer has 3 wires coming into it, so that means it has 2 voltages. Can be used as 110 or 240. I think this is the common one, because it goes through the main switch. I think we need to connect the blue, because the black is in the middle, which means it's the half number of turns, but that's not for sure, so it's better to test it before we connect any wires to it. .600 kilo ohms. 400. Yeah, I think it's the blue and the brown. The only way to know is to try it. Okay, I got a new cord connected. Now let's see if it works. Okay, nothing exploding. That's good. It's working. Good, let's put it back together. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.